Welcome to week 10, video 2 for ITBU, and I'm starting at slide number 6. So after the break, what we'll do is we'll talk a little bit about website design and from the customer's point of view or the user's point of view, why they use our website, why they get frustrated by our website, and some design elements that we can think about when creating a website. So you might have covered some of this in some of your other courses, and that's terrific. It'll be a refresher for us to be thinking about these things as we evaluate the website at the north of T-Bay or north of Thunder Bay or whatever we called it, Thoreau Public Library website. Okay, so go through some of these slides and we'll talk about different ways that we can evaluate it. We did one, right? The card sort. I hope when you looked at that article, you saw some of these other ways that you might want to evaluate your website. They're in that article. And then things like layout. And there's that word again that you know I love, clear, right? So making sure you're communicating clearly with your users. Okay, we'll talk about accessibility, appropriate fonts. We'll even test the website to make sure it's accessible using this product, wave.webaim.org. Okay. Then we'll talk about responsive website design and what it is and why it's important. And that will wrap up our class for Monday. And then we'll reconvene on Friday and we'll start around slide 15.